Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to sticker someone's snap. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat and basically click on the chat at the bottom left corner. Basically, you're going to receive Snapchats from other people, right? You're going to click their stories and see their stories. Click the three dots at the top right. You're going to see three options, and you're going to see an option of remixing snap. And then basically what you're going to do, you're gonna take a picture or whatever it might be, and then click the scissors in the tools on your right, and basically you're gonna be able to cut the part that you want on your Snapchat. But basically, unfortunately, because I don't have someone who sends the snaps, I won't be able to demonstrate. But basically, it's easy steps. Just take the snap, and then, as I told you before, use the scissors to cut the part that you want, maybe full circle or whatever it might be, and then your face will appear on that as a green screen background or whatever, right? And you can record your snap or take a picture of sending it back to that person. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.